Today we're digging deep into an ongoing debate that is both fascinating and controversial. We'll be looking at the Stoned Ape Theory, which may completely change the way you think about how humans evolved. Could the history of humanity have been influenced by these tiny fungi? So what exactly is the Stoned Ape Theory? Well, it was first proposed by the American writer and ethnobotanist Terence McKenna. According to this theory, some 100,000 years ago, the consumption of psychedelic mushrooms, particularly psilocybin-containing ones, by our early human ancestors, played a pivotal role in the development of human consciousness, culture, and intelligence. Sounds intriguing, right? To understand this theory better, let's take a journey back in time to our early human ancestors. The idea is that millions of years ago, our primate ancestors might have stumbled upon these magic mushrooms in their environment and consumed them accidentally. Studies suggest that psilocybin, the psychoactive compound found in magic mushrooms, can cause profound alterations in perception, cognition, and even trigger spiritual experiences. So the hypothesis is that these altered states of consciousness resulting from mushroom consumption might have had a profound impact on our ancestors' minds. In this mind-expanding state, McKenna thought people would become less focused on their individual egos. Instead, they would be more open to spiritual and religious experiences, putting those matters at the forefront of their thoughts. Interesting. So, how might these altered states have influenced early humans? Well, proponents of the Stoned Ape Theory believe that these altered states of consciousness could have contributed to the development of creativity, language, and problem-solving skills. The psychedelic experiences may have sparked new ways of thinking and enhanced cognitive abilities. That's quite a compelling idea. But what about the evolutionary aspect of the theory? According to the theory, these changes induced by magic mushrooms may have given rise to new forms of social conversation and interaction. The resulting boost in unity among groups may have improved individual survival and reproductive success for those who could work together and interact more effectively. One of the key claims of the theory is that magic mushroom experiences might have influenced the development of language. The altered states induced by psilocybin could have led to increased communication and the evolution of early language abilities. While the Stoned Ape Theory is fascinating, it's essential to approach it with a critical eye. The theory is based on speculation and limited archaeological evidence, as we can't directly observe our ancestors' behaviors millions of years ago. Additionally, some scientists argue that the theory oversimplifies the complexity of human evolution and the factors that contributed to our species' development. That's true. While psychedelics like magic mushrooms can indeed induce powerful experiences, there's no direct evidence to support the claim that their consumption played a significant role in human evolution. Evolution is a multifaceted process influenced by numerous factors, including environmental challenges, tool usage, social organization, and brain development. So it's crucial to consider the Stoned Ape Theory as just one possible piece of the puzzle, rather than a definitive explanation for the evolution of our species. Now, before we wrap up, let's talk about the legal and ethical aspects of magic mushrooms today. In many parts of the world, the use of psychedelic substances is either heavily regulated or illegal. This is due to concerns about their potential risks, misuse, and the lack of comprehensive scientific understanding. While research on psychedelics is experiencing a resurgence, we must remember that these substances can have powerful effects on individuals, both positive and negative. Therefore, any potential therapeutic use should be approached with caution and conducted under controlled and supervised conditions. To sum up, the Stoned Ape Theory is a captivating idea that explores the potential influence of magic mushrooms on the evolution of human consciousness and culture. However, it remains a hypothesis and not a widely accepted scientific theory. As we continue to explore the mysteries of our past and the role of psychedelics, it's essential to approach the topic with an open mind, critical thinking, and a commitment to responsible research. Thanks for joining us today on this mind-expanding journey into the Stoned Ape Theory. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you stay tuned for more thought-provoking content. Until next time, stay curious and keep questioning the world around you.